This is the Vega, a keyboard designed by ai03 and Kevinplus. We managed to get this in the in-stock drop a couple of weeks ago and it cost us a whopping 3,000 ringgit to put this keyboard together. Yes, that is a lot of money for just a keyboard, but trust me when I say this offers an extremely refined typing experience that you cannot get from a pre-built keyboard. This is our first look at the Vega, and keep on watching if you want to see what's the hype for a keyboard that costs this much money. Let's talk about the cost of this keyboard first. The Vega itself costs $359 so with shipping and import duties taken together, it is about 1,700 ringgit. And then there is the keycap on this keyboard, which is the GMK Fuyu. It cost us 1,000 ringgit because we got it in the extras drop. Completing this build is the JWK stabilizers as well as the C3 Tangerine switches, which brings the grand total to 3,000 ringgit. Now that we've got the cost out of the way, let's talk about the Vega itself. This is a 65% keyboard with an aluminium case, a stainless steel PVD coated weight, as well as aluminium plate. There is also an option for a polycarb plate, but we decided to go with aluminium instead. Aside from that, the Vega is also a gasket mounted keyboard, so it has a softer typing experience than say a top mount board, and its sound profile is extremely clean. Yes, the sound profile is a little bit high pitched, but that is the inherent characteristic of a gasket mounted keyboard. Besides that, in my opinion, this is what a premium keyboard should sound like. But if you do want a more talky sound profile, you may want to look at a top mounted keyboard instead. So that's the cost and specs of the Vega. Let's get to the typing sound test now to show you guys just what I mean by a clean typing experience. Without a doubt, the Vega feels and sounds fantastic to type on. And if you like to grab this keyboard, you can actually do so this Sunday on 29 November at 1 AM Malaysian time. Compared to the in-stock drop, where this keyboard costs $359, it will actually go for only $329 for the group buy. And that's our quick first look at the Vega by ai03 and Kevinplus. Like this video if you like it, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and always stay tuned for more good stuff to come here in X-Ray.